A lot of people believe that NYSC is a waste of time, but there are many opportunities that you can gain from NYSC. And I'll be listing just a few of them. If you're a business person, NYSC is a great time to earn free money. So before you go in to orientation camp, the best thing you can do for yourself is put your business together, have a business plan, do something quality. Because when you enter NYSC camp, there are going to be a lot of banks coming to come and tell you, oh, here's how to live the business plan. Here's a chance to win this certain amount of money. Here's a chance to win this. Here's a chance to win that. I know somebody personally who has won 600,000 naira. He runs a clothing brand just from going to camp and presenting his business. So if you're a business person, get ready for that NYSC experience. Even if you don't win that 600,000, use it as an opportunity to get contacts that you can continuously market your business to, build genuine connections and build genuine relationships. This also applies to somebody who is willing to go into career. If you already know that, I see myself working in an office, HR, finance, any of those professions, this is also a good time to build your network. Truth is, you never know who will give you your first job. So this is a good time to build those connections and build that network. The third opportunity is for those that are into development. Now, there's always the CDS that you do, the Community Development Service, that is meant to help you to improve the society. If you're into the SDGs, you're somebody who you were probably on campus, you were in Enactus, JCI, and you found yourself always doing community projects, always doing volunteering work, and now you want to take it to the next level. CDS is a great time to do that. I know somebody who focused on SDG 4, quality education, and built an entire story out of it, built great things for their community. The mistake that people make is that they're making this tremendous impact, but they're doing it in private. Nobody knows that they're doing it. And I understand that Nigerian culture makes you feel like, okay, I did something great for the community. Why does everybody need to know about it? But the truth is, if you're going into development, you need to be able to shout about the work that you're doing. Now, this also applies to people that I know people that started running their NGOs from school. This is also an opportunity to move the impact of that NGO. Let them do something substantial, something significant. And this is also a surefire way to start getting grants to the work that you're doing. This is especially useful for people that really want to go into graduate school and you want to do probably a master's in global affairs or a master's in public policy. This is also a good time. There's a lot of opportunity in development, especially if you're working in northern Nigeria and you're working with education, you're working to solve problems of poverty, any of the SDG goals, you will definitely have funding on your side. The next opportunity in NYSC is an opportunity to prepare for graduate school. NYSC does give you a lot of time, especially if you're posted to somewhere that your services are not exactly needed. It does give you a lot of time and a lot of time to yourself. So if you're interested in starting a master's, this is a good time to start researching your options. A good resource is the Education USA website. If you sign up to be a member, attend any of the virtual sessions at the consulate, they will teach you how to apply for opportunities abroad, opportunities within the US. If you're interested in going for a master's or a PhD program, visit their website and you'll be guided. This is a great time to research your options, and this is also a great time to start applying for school. The next opportunity within NYSC is religious opportunities. I know people personally who have gone to villages and have brought the light of the gospel to them. I know people who have stepped into communities and radically transformed those communities completely. So the truth is, if you feel like you're called to ministry, you're called to people, you're called to the villages, your light can shine in NYSC. So whatever community you're posted to, be ready to shine that light during NYSC. I know people who have completely relocated from the south to the southwest because of NYSC, but because they found purpose and decided to stay. Your purpose can be there. The next opportunity in NYSC is marriage opportunities. Some of you who did not find the love of your life in undergraduate, you can find the love of your life in NYSC. Side note. One final opportunity that I forgot to mention is Said. Now, if you don't have hands-on skills and you're looking to go into craftsmanship and build a career out of probably soap making, sewing, tailoring, makeup, Said is a good time to learn. I know the lectures are very boring, but this is a great time to hone those skills. This week, an NYSC planner will be coming out on Seller. Remember to order your copy. I'll see you in the next video.